What's up, guys? I'm out here in my backyard again. It's finally springy-ish. Wish I was in shorts, but leggings will do. I'm here to give you guys another kind of quick wall ball routine. This one is all one-handed and is short and sweet. Alright, to get warmed up, we're going to start simple one-handed catching and throwing. So I always start with my right since I'm a righty. We're going to catch, one cradle, step, snap. We're going to go 25 each hand. So you're going to go 25 right, switch over, go 25 left. After one-handed, just simple catching and throwing, we're going to get a little more advanced. So we're going to catch, switch, throw. So really working on our release. We're not cradling after, moving our feet, stepping, one cradle, no cradle, step, snap. Turning our shoulders with our stick. We're going to go 40 total. After you go catch, switch, throw, we're going to go back to our one hand. We're going to work on some fakes. So every time we catch the ball, we're going to fake high, fake low, and step. Really working on our wrist control. We're going 20 each hand, then you'll switch. Do the same with your left. Catch, fake high, fake low, snap, 20 each hand. All right, now we're gonna go back to one-handed catching and throwing, but now we're from a distance and we're gonna slide our bottom hand down, so we're really working on our wrist strength, forearm strength. You're gonna step with your opposite foot, sling your arm back, rainbow follow drill. Really important that we get the ground ball with one hand, cradle it back up, step, drive. You're gonna go 15 each hand, so when you get 15 with your dominant, we're going 15 non-dom. Same exact thing. Again, really focus on getting that ground ball with one hand and bringing it back up. So that's long-handed, or long one-handed catching and throw. Last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get close to the wall again. We're gonna go back to one hand, or stay in one hand, and we're gonna have a little fun. So rather than normal catching and throwing, we can go between our legs, we can go around our waist, we can go over our head, we can kind of mix it up, we can go around the world, behind the backs, anything to kind of get our sticks in uncomfortable positions, working on our wrist snaps and what have you. All right, guys, see, I told you it was super quick, super easy, all one-handed. Not only great for centers who really need to work on their wrist strength, but for attackers, middies, defenders, and goalies too. So there's a quick one-handed stick workout that you can do with a friend. Make sure if you do it, you film it and tag me in it because I'd love to see. Bye, guys.